Have you ever wondered why parrots are so vibrantly colorful? The answer lies not in pigments, but in the unique structure of their feathers. Parrots, you see, don a rainbow of colors, from the fiery scarlet macaw to the cool blue hyacinth macaw, the sunny yellow sun conure to the emerald green Amazon parrot. Each parrot species boasts its own distinct color palette, a testament to nature's artistic flair. These brilliant hues are not the result of pigments, as one might initially think. Rather, they are caused by the way light interacts with the structure of the parrot's feathers. The feathers are composed of microscopic structures that can refract or bend light, just like a prism. When light strikes these structures, it is scattered in different directions, and the different wavelengths of light are reflected back to our eyes as different colors. The color we see is the color that is reflected, not absorbed by the feather. This is why a parrot's feathers can appear to shimmer and change colors when viewed from different angles. But there's more to parrots than just their vibrant plumage. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds on the planet. They have the remarkable ability to learn and mimic human speech, a talent that has endeared them to humans for centuries. This is not mere parroting, but a sophisticated cognitive process. Parrots can understand context and meaning, use words creatively, and even develop a basic understanding of grammar. Their intelligence is not limited to language skills either. Parrots have been observed using tools, solving complex puzzles, and demonstrating impressive problem-solving abilities. Some species, like the African grey parrot, are known to possess the cognitive abilities of a 5-year-old child. So the next time you marvel at a parrot's vibrant plumage, remember that there's a sharp mind beneath those colorful feathers. It's not just their colors that make parrots fascinating, their intelligence is equally compelling. Why can parrots talk like us when most other animals cannot? It's a question that has fascinated both bird enthusiasts and scientists alike. The answer lies in the unique design of a parrot's vocal organs. Unlike most birds, parrots have a thick, muscular, flexible vocal organ known as the syrinx. Located at the base of their trachea, this syrinx is so versatile it allows them to mimic a wide range of sounds, including the complexities of human speech. But what sets parrots apart even more is their brain structure. You see, parrots have a large area in their brain dedicated to vocal learning and communication. Much like humans do, this enables them not just to mimic sounds, but also to understand the meaning of some words and phrases. They can associate sounds with actions or objects, which is a fundamental aspect of language comprehension. Take Alex, the famous African grey parrot, for example. Trained by animal psychologist Irene Pepperberg, Alex could identify 50 different objects, 7 colors and 5 shapes. He could even understand the concepts of bigger, smaller, same and different. His ability to grasp the meaning of words and phrases showed us that parrots are more than just parroting machines. So if you ever hear a parrot say hello, it might not just be mimicking your greeting. It could be genuinely greeting you. This level of understanding, combined with their ability to mimic human speech, makes parrots one of the few animal species that can communicate with us in our own language. But remember, their ability to mimic and understand human speech doesn't mean they think or feel the same way we do. It's essential not to anthropomorphize parrots or any other animals. They have their own ways of experiencing the world, which can be different from ours. Parrots not only mimic our speech, but they also have the ability to understand it. Yet there's more to these birds than meets the eye. So the next time you hear a parrot chattering away, remember you're not just hearing mimicry. You're hearing the result of a remarkable blend of vocal flexibility and cognitive ability. Did you know that parrots can live as long as humans and form lifelong bonds? Indeed, the longevity of these vibrant creatures is truly remarkable. Parrots, particularly larger species like macaws and cockatoos, have lifespans that can stretch up to 80 years or more in captivity. That's equivalent to the average human life expectancy. This is a stark contrast to many other bird species, whose lives are often measured in mere years or even months. This long lifespan isn't without its challenges, however. Parrots are intelligent, emotional creatures that need mental stimulation and social interaction to thrive. Imagine being locked in a room for decades with nothing to do. That's what life can be like for a neglected parrot. Now, let's shift our focus to the robust social lives of these fascinating birds. Parrots are incredibly social creatures living in large flocks in the wild. Their social nature extends to their relationships with their mates. with whom they form strong, lifelong bonds. These bonds are not merely for the purpose of reproduction, as is often the case in the animal kingdom. Rather, parrots form deep emotional connections with their mates. They share food, groom each other, and even console each other in times of stress or loss. When a parrot loses its mate, it often goes through a period of mourning. It may stop eating, lose interest in its surroundings, and even pluck out its own feathers. This behavior underscores the depth of the emotional bonds that parrots form. It's not just their mates that parrots bond with either. They also form strong attachments to their human caretakers. They crave interaction and companionship, and if these needs are met, they can form a deep, lasting bond with their human friends. In conclusion, parrots are not just long-lived, but also deeply emotional creatures. They form lifelong bonds with their mates and human companions, underscoring their complex social needs and emotional depth. Parrots are long-lived creatures that form deep emotional bonds, much like us humans. What do parrots eat and where can we find them in the wild? Well, let's dive right into their diet. You see, parrots are mainly herbivores, which means they feed on plant materials. Their meals usually consist of a delightful smorgasbord of fruits, seeds, and nuts. However, they don't limit their culinary adventures to just these. Parrots are known to enjoy nectar, blossoms, and even the bark of trees. Some parrots, like the rainbow lorikeet, have a specialized brush-tipped tongue for slurping up nectar and soft fruits. But what if we told you that parrots aren't strictly vegetarians? Yes, you heard that right. Some parrots, when given the opportunity, will munch on insects and their larvae. This protein-packed snack provides them with essential nutrients not found in their typical plant-based diet. Now, let's fly over to their habitats. If you're picturing a parrot perched high in a tropical rainforest, you're not entirely off the mark. Many parrots do call the lush, warm rainforests of the world their home. However, they're not exclusive to these locales. Parrots have made themselves comfortable in a variety of places across the globe. From the tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, Africa and Asia, to the cooler climates of Australia and New Zealand, parrots have found homes in various ecosystems. They've adapted to an impressive range of environments, from lowland rainforests and coastal mangroves to savannas and even mountains. Some species, like the maroon-fronted parrot, have been spotted in the Sierra Madre Oriental of northeastern Mexico at altitudes of over 2,000 meters. So whether it's the warm, humid rainforest, the cool, breezy mountains, or the harsh, dry savanna, parrots prove to be incredibly adaptive and resilient. Their diet, just like their habitats, is a testament to their versatility and ability to survive in different conditions. From their diet to their habitat, parrots are as diverse as they are colorful. Despite their beauty and intelligence, did you know that many parrot species are threatened? Just like other creatures of the wild, parrots face a harsh reality. Their habitats are being destroyed at an alarming rate due to deforestation and urbanization. This loss of habitat has forced these vibrant birds to relocate, often leading to dwindling populations, but that's not all. The illegal pet trade poses an even more direct threat. Thousands of these charming birds are captured and sold around the world, cruelly taken away from their natural environments. This not only puts stress on individual parrots, but also disruptively skews their population dynamics. So, how can we help? By supporting conservation efforts. Organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to protect these amazing birds, their habitats, and to combat the illegal trade. Parrots are truly remarkable creatures. By understanding and appreciating them, we can help ensure their survival for future generations to enjoy.